Today it's World Pasta Day. Do you think you know how to cook pasta? Think again. Today we're busting 5 pasta myths that you've probably been following your whole life, and they could be ruining your favorite dish. Myth number 1. You need to add oil to the water to keep pasta from sticking. Here's the truth. Adding oil actually prevents the sauce from sticking to your pasta, not the pasta from sticking together. Next time, skip the oil and give your pasta a good stir instead. Myth number 2. You should rinse your pasta after cooking. Wrong again. Rinsing pasta washes away the starch that helps sauce cling to it. Keep that starch on for a perfectly saucy dish. Myth number 3. Pasta should be cooked until it's soft. The best pasta is cooked al dente, firm to the bite. Overcooking it makes it mushy and less flavorful. 4. You can tell if pasta is done by throwing it against the wall. Fun but not accurate. Instead, taste your pasta. The only way to know it's perfectly cooked is by biting into it. And finally, myth 5. Pasta must be cooked in a huge pot of water. Not true, a large pot isn't strictly necessary. Just make sure there's enough to submerge the pasta. Now that you know the truth behind these common pasta myths, you'll never cook it the same way again. Have any other pasta myths you want to bust? Let us know in the comments below. Stay tuned and find out what tomorrow's special day is. You won't want to miss it.